The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
Good everybody, and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you've had a good start to your day. Hey, just wanted to run through a couple of things, looking at the top 10 today, because Bitcoin's climbed up a little bit more again. I want to just bring up the Coinbase chart first, because we're sitting above we're sitting above 4,100. Now, what I'm starting to find quite interesting here is that when we see these spikes down, they're immediately being met by buying, which is good because it used to be the other way around in the sense that we used to see the shot up and the selling comes straight back in. Now, as much as the chart structure gets a bit funky when these big spikes come in, it is good to see some consistency and a bit more buying coming back in. And as I look at this daily now pushing above 4,100, of course, we're still on the Coinbase chart, need to get above 4,239, but we're starting to make some nice progress there. Really starting to feel this market get a little bit more confidence in its feet. That does not mean I'm saying that we're bullish, not at all. What I'm saying is it's starting to get a little bit more positivity coming back to it, and that's a really, really wonderful thing. So what's in the news today? Let's have a quick little run through this. I won't take very long. Bitcoin price posts biggest quarterly gain since late 2017. So you've heard me talk about the third wave of higher highs. You've heard me talk about all these different things that have only happened, haven't happened since 2017. Now, this bit of information coming out from CoinDesk suggests that we've seen the biggest quarterly gain since late 2017, which is another one of those little positives in the box. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to continue to move higher. It just means it's another little bit of positivity out there for the space. Crypto promoter on Mars accused of fraud in luring investors via YouTube. I'm not quite sure. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, okay, not really. Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin futures volumes top 150 million at Kraken. That's great. Matthew, but doesn't give a time frame on the headline. I see as a globalizing venture capital funding. Okay, how Bitcoin may surge off of billions of dollars from IPOs like Lyft, Uber. Okay, Bitcoin price can leverage major IPOs such as Lyft. All right, fair enough. US SEC is hiring a cryptocurrency specialist to help with regulations. That's a step in the right direction. Let's see who their quote-unquote specialist is. Pakistan introduces cryptocurrency regulations after FATF intervention. Why every respected cryptocurrency analyst is bullish on Bitcoin. Well, I don't know about that. That's a big call, but you know, it's a bit of clickbait, I suppose. Biggest changes next generation crypto exchanges will bring to the Bitcoin trading world. Nothing there. Dark days for crypto exchanges continue in India. Government's inconclusive stand. Yeah, okay, nothing there. CoinCheck launches OTC crypto for institutions. That's a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, that one. So across the news, some interesting stuff with regards to the SEC, with the regulation, having somebody in there, and a few other bits and pieces there as well. Biggest quarterly gains is pretty important there. Now, if I just walk you through the rest of the market, with Bitcoin up 0.66% thus far today, we've got Ethereum down 0.3%, struggling to stay outside of that little range that it had packed between 144 and 130 roughly. EOS is up once again, up 0.28%, and a little bit of a hole up there. I'm just seeing, is there any resistance coming in? There's two tests at $4.32 that I'll be definitely keeping an eye on throughout the day to see if there's any opportunity for me. Stellar Lumens is once again up 1.42%, a rather slow day across the market, what I'm seeing so far, but Stellar up 1.5%. Daily is starting to look a little bit better, but the 4 hours still a little bit stuck. Ripple stuck smack bang in the middle of that range that it's been in for quite some time, between 29 and 35. It's up 1.18% at 31.7. Litecoin is at $61.10, very sideways. It's been like this for a couple of weeks now. It's down 0.63%, and it's either going to break out or it's going to have itself with a bit of a pullback. Bitcoin Cash is sitting at 169.29, up around those highs. It's down 1.36% today. Binance against the dollar tether is up 1.41% at $17.78. So it did push onto some new highs again on the overnight trade session. A very, very strong market indeed, and it just keeps on performing. Great to see. Tron is the biggest performer along with Cardano today, up 3.63%, and Cardano is also up 3.63%. Tron just trying its hardest to get into that daily uptrend, and it has actually done that. It's just not majorly strong just yet. That 4 hours starting to look a little bit better. And Cardano, look, it continues to perform really well. A very good looking chart there, and one that yeah, honestly, it just looks fantastic. It's one of my favorite trends out there within that top 10. So that's the wrap across the 10, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget that if people are hurting around you, reach out and say, are you okay? Often the people that are ones putting us down the most or the most negative are probably the ones that are hurting the most. Remember, enjoy your life. It's short. Have a good day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast is hosted by Craig Cobb. All Trader Cobb courses, products, and tools can be found at tradercobb.com because experience matters.